Hi students, good morning. Welcome back. So today by seeing this you can easily understand that what today I'm trying to say is about clock, which we already know. Every day we'll see that, each and every time we are observing that so many days, because every day morning we'll see, we'll wake up and we'll see, no, that only no, we are seeing how much time is left, how much time is left, at what time we'll start, like that we'll see, no. So today we'll see about clock. So what are the things are there in clock, and how to read the time of the clock, that we'll see, we'll learn today. Okay. So not children, not the circle, it always clock looks like circle. Maximum we saw the shape in circle, that is the reason I selected round. You can go for rectangle shape or oval shape, anything. Okay, I just selected here circle shape because maximum we will see the clock in circle, round. Now coming to this, our clock is divided into four parts. Okay, the clock is divided into four parts. In other words, it is called quarter. What is it called? Quarter. Quarter, quarter. So how many quarters means 15 minutes? Here quarter means 15 minutes. So in this clock we have numbers starting from 1 to 12 because we have 24 hours and we written only 12. That is the reason it is going to repeat two times. We'll get two times two 12s. 112 we'll see, that is in the lunch break, and the other 12 we can't see because at that time we'll be sleeping, midnight 12 o'clock. Okay. So first thing, in this, what is this blue color one? They are called hands of the clock. Like how we have hands to work, for clock also hands to work. So these hands are having names. How will we have name? What are the names of our hands? Right hand, left hand. Same like that. The clock hands names are minutes hand, hours hand. What is that? Minutes hand, hours hand. So what in this, among these two, what is minutes hand? Which is minutes hand and which is hours hand? Among those two, which is minutes and which is hours? The smallest hand is called, when the smallest hand is called hours hand, and the biggest hand is called minutes hand. Nothing but longest hand is called minutes hand and the smallest hand is called hours hand. So if this number is showing this and the longest hand is showing on 12 and the smallest hand is showing on 2, means the time is 2 o'clock. What is the time? 2 o'clock. What I said, the smallest hand is hours hand, I said no. So that is the reason here I just selected some examples. I just selected 6 examples. I written one example for you. You are going to say now what is the smallest hand. Hours hand is showing which number, and here I just kept for all long hands on 12 only. So it is going to show only hours. If the hand is not on 12, if the longest hand is not on 12, what will happen? You have to check even minutes also. The smallest hand is on hours and the longest hand minutes, I said no. So what is each number is, what is the difference between each number? 5. So 1 means, for example, here it is 11. And you have to say, if the longest hand is on 1, what you should say? 11, 1 not, 11, 5. Other than hours hand, each and every number should be multiplied by 5. Okay, ma'am. Now we'll see this, how many, what is the time for each and every clock you should say now. See, the second question is showing which, the second question is saying about 5 o'clock, correct? Because the hours hand is on 5. And the third one, yes, hours hand is on 9. So it is 9 o'clock. Now fourth one, hours hand is on 11. It is 11 o'clock. Now the hours hand is on 3. So that is the reason it is 3 o'clock. Now the hours hand is on 6. See here, even though it is straight, it is on, the smallest hand is on 6 and the biggest hand is on 12. So that is the reason it is 6 o'clock. Because it is all the hands, so all the longest hands are on 12. That is the reason you people are saying nicely 11 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Now I'm changing the hours hand and minutes hand. See here, I given options to you. You have to say to me now first. So here it is, and this is 3. Shortest hand is on 3 and longest hand is on 9. What I said, each and every number you should multiply with 5. So 3. Here you have two options on 3. One is 315, other one is 345. The longest hand is on 9, so that is the reason 5 nines are Yes, 45. So the answer is 3:45. Now in the same way, what is the shortest hand here? Yes, 6. So the time is 6 o'clock, not 9. Now longest hand is on 9. Again 6:45. How to write? How to check? Now you people try this. In this, which is the smallest hand? On 10, smallest hand. Yes. On 3, longest hand. So 5 3s are 15. Remember, only for minutes we will multiply with 5, not for all the numbers. Only for minutes we will multiply with 5. Means the longest hand is on which number? With that number you should multiply with 5. Then you will get the answers. Isn't it simple, children? Clock. Now we'll complete other 3 also. In among these 2, which is the smallest hand? Yes, on 7. And biggest hand is on 3. 5 3s are 15. Yes. Now see here. Among this, which is the smallest hand? Yes, 12. Longest hand is on 9. 5 9s are 45. So the answer is 12:45. So the answer is 12:45. And the last one over here. Here, what is the smallest hand? The smallest hand is on 6. Where is the smallest hand? It is on 6. So the answer is 6. And longest hand is on 3. 5 3s are 15. So the answer is 6:15. Isn't it easy, children, for you to read the clock? In this class today, we learn how we'll read clock, and clock has how many hands, which is the biggest hand, what the biggest hand is saying, and what the smallest hand is saying. And what is the one more thing we learn? Each and every clock is having only 12 numbers, and each, if minutes hand is there, you should multiply with 5. Smallest hand is there, no need to multiply, nothing but that is hours hand. Smallest hand means hours hand, biggest hand means minutes hand. Each and every number is differ by 5 minutes. 5. That is the reason between one number to another number there will be 5 lines. So, and in some clocks, do you know, children, in some clocks we have seconds hand also, but maximum houses or maximum will be using minutes hand and hours hand. If we draw the seconds hand, what will happen? You'll be getting confused. That is the reason I didn't selected that. Okay, if you want, you can even see that also. And one more thing, always we have shorter one and longer hand. Shorter hand and longer hand. That's it. Thank you. I hope you all understand today's class.